Through bookstore windows, the storms, and it bids us ask why. We walk through the chapters, our lives intertwine. Their glow softly spills on lovers and loners and lifelong ideals. Each sip of